Hello, welcome to my Never Wonderland. I am Elspeth, and today is our last day here in Singapore. We've been here since August 18, and it's now the 22nd. It's Friday, and mamaya flight na namin, and I still have a ton of packing to do. Pero isingit ko na itong pag-share sa inyo ng unboxing ng aking nabili sa, I forgot the name of the shop, Haniken or something, sa Plaza Singapura. Ang dami-daming toys doon, guys. So many mga uso-usong mga blind box. Hindi naman ako fan ng mga yun kasi masyado silang alam niyo yun, budol. But this got my attention kasi it's Alice. Ayan, I'm a sucker for Alice. Kaya I'm a sucker for mga sale. Buy one free one siya. Kaya sabi ko, for $32.90 Singapore dollars. Yan, buy one free one siya. So sabi ko, sayang naman. Actually, I think kapareho ito nung Alice ko na nasa bahay. I mean, kasi binili ko lang yan I think from High Collectomania, na iba na ngayon yung pangalan niya. Ano nga ba? Kwentindahan ng aking college friend. Bumibili ako sa kanya ng mga Alice related na collectibles. Not just Alice, mga favorite kong old classic cartoons like Little Prince. May nabili ako sa kanya na parang kamukha nito. Actually, walang to dun sa tindahan. Wala siyang sample display. So, I really don't know how it looks like. But since it's Alice and it's buy one free one, hindi ko ito bibili ng kuripot ako eh. I mean, hindi ko ito bibili ng $32.90 nang hindi siya naka-sale. Oh. So, yung ibang nandoon, may Harry Potter, may yung mga ibang Disney princesses, si Anna, si Elsa, you know, the usual Sleeping Beauty, Ariel, but I am not really into princesses. Gusto ko yung mga interesting characters kagaya nga ni Alice na sabi, in a world full of princesses. Ano nga ba yung favorite quote ko yun about be an Alice. Parang ganon. Be something interesting. So, Alice is my most favorite Disney character. So, I couldn't pass it up. And then, the other free one sana na hinahanap ko, since may Harry Potter, si Hermione. Pero wala silang Hermione. Kaya, eto na lang ang aking free one. Tada! See? Maleficent. O, diba? So now, dahil singit lang to, magpapak na, ay mag-aalmusal pa pala kami. Without further ado, kailangan ko na itong bilisan because we are leaving on a jet plane in a few hours and I still need to pack all our thingies. Ay, hindi naman pala, lang pala, scotch tape lang pala yung nito. So, let me see. Bawal kasing buksan dun eh, walang eh. Naging Bulacan ko. Naging Bulacan accent. Naisip ko kasi pumasok sa isip ko yung aking pinsan na nagbebenta ng mga si Tonyo Toys. Hi, Tonyo Toys. Matutuwa ka dito sa Singapore. Naku, dami-dami mong pwedeng ibilin at i-resell. Kaya ako nagpuntong Bulacan kasi taga Bulacan siya. I mean, subconsciously, I did not do that intentionally. Ano ba yun? Bilisan mo naman. Wala to, guys. Wait. Let's see. Yung isang, kala ko walang laman. Ang laki-laki ng box. Tapos walang laman. Nagulat ako. Anak ka ng tukakang gala. Diday! Ano lang naman? Oh, it's much smaller. Oh, tada! Ayan. Wala tuloy ako sa aking train of thought. Na-derail ang aking train of thought. May sasabihin ko, nagulat kasi ako, kala ko walang laman. Ito ba naman bubungad sa'yo? Oh, it's blank. Blank. Ayan. Here is the cup, the teacups. Would you like some more tea? How could I get any more when I still haven't had any? Bring ako yan ng diamond. I am very fond of tea. See that? Ayun, ang nga sinasabi ko, yung aking pinsan, mahilig siya, nagre-sell siya. Taga Bulacan kasi siya. Ayan. Okay. And off with her head! Alice! Alice! Wake up, Alice! Diyan. Sabit muna natin yung kanyang ulo. Yung nasa bahay ko, mas malaki yung figure. Malaki yung Alice niya. Siguro, well, all in all, ganito siguro kalaki. Kasi nga, isang, ano lang siya, isang nakatayong Alice lang siya. No accessories, no something. Wala kasing iba eh. Sana kung nandoon yung ibang characters, si Alice lang nandoon. Walang Mad Hatter or March Hare or Caterpillar. Wala. It's nice. Yeah. Alice! Alice! Wake up, Alice! Open her head! Open her head! You heard what you say! You heard what you said! Pero ayaw yung ano. Ayun. Anyway, wait. I still need to open the other box. Sa bahay ko na siya i-firma. Okay, let's put you here. Yan. Tsaka mo na. Watch as I unbox this other box. Si Maleficent. Yan. Favorite, ano ko rin to, villain. Well, ever since the Disney movie came out, kung ginawan siya ng backstory. But, let me say, na hindi ko bet si Aurora, si Sleeping Beauty. She just left. Parang feeling ko walang masyadong karakter si Aurora, kundi natulog lang siya and waited for true love's kiss. Kaya gusto ko itong mga spin na ginawa ng Disney. The spin they did to the story. Added more depth. And life to the characters. Yun. Pero kung may bibili pa ako sa princess, si Belle and Ariel. Yun, yung mga stubborn princess. O, ito, nakaano siya. Ganyan. So, let's see. Ito naman. Nandun na siya agad. So, let's see. Tan-tadadan! Uy, parang biggie siya. Parang biggie. It's biggie. Oo, bigger siya. Kasi wala siyang, it's just a human. Ayan, parang ganito kalaki yung aking Alice sa bahay. Ay, this one is bigger to. Kasi bigger yung head. Okay, those. Oh yeah, green yung scepter. The only thing I don't like about Maleficent is, purple yung kanyang, color theme. So, let's start with the head. Hindi maganda yung nito. Hindi easy open can. Walang may ganon. Okay, look at the head. What a cute villain. And then the scepter. Ano mamaya ng scepter. Katawan muna syempre. The body. Check your body. Ayan. I don't want to ruin the plastic because I'm gonna put them back in their rightful maganda yung quality ng niya, material. Okay, before I assemble it, let's take out all the parts first. Ito ibang accent, no? May Bulacan, may British daw kasi British siya, Alice I beg your pardon. You? Who are you? Well, I hardly know, sir. You see, I came right of... Oh, ito. Yung ito ba may posket ano? Ang liit itong aalis ko talaga. I think different ano kasi. Posket. Posket. Ay, papatong lang siya. Hindi siya nilalock. There's no lock. And put the head. Okay. Ay, yung scepter pa pala. The scepter. Okay. Okay, ayun. I hate this. Ayun mga ano. Okay, come out. Okay. Ayun. I don't want to ruin the plastic. Yan. Parang lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop. Ayun, dito pala yung isa niyang kamay. Wala pala siyang isang kamay. I did not notice. Nakakapit dun sa scepter. Tada! Oh. Okay, so how do I attach this one? Ayun. Yata siya dito. Ayun. Oh. Oh. Well, well, well. Naman see. Ta-da! Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Mr. Rabbit! Please wait! Well, well, well. If it isn't the blonde Little Menace. Ta-da! Oh, nice. Ano ito? Ano ang tatak nito? Q Posket. Disney characters. Yan. Q Posket. I think, kung mag-i-stay na ganitong buy one, free one, to, ito yung aking i-collect. Q Posket Stories. Merong isa pa ng ano nito eh. Kulay pink naman yung cup niya. Parang isang variation. This is letter A. May letter A. Okay, letter A. Isa B. Siyempre, di ba? Okay, anyway, that's that. Bye! Bye! Oh, one last look. Hindi siya makaupo. Hindi ko mai-fix. Oh, ang cute naman ng villain na to. At ang liit naman ni Alice. Ah, baka ito yung ano pa siya. I am exactly 3 inches high. And it's a very good height indeed. But I'm sorry. I'm not used to it. Okay, enough. Bye!